Good morning, sir. This is our presentation of Group 3. And first of all, I want to introduce myself. I'm Midshipman Idanyo. And the topic of Group 3 is all about impact of loading on ship stability. And the introduction is ship stability is a critical aspect of maritime safety, and the way a ship is loaded significantly impacts its stability characteristics. An improperly loaded ship can become dangerously unstable, leading to various hazards, including asphyxiation, loss of cargo, and even loss of life. Here's an introduction to the impact of loading on ship stability. Center of gravity. The distribution of weight within a ship determined is loading cargo ships and a high reduces stability, making the ship more susceptible to rolling. A high can cause a ship to have a smaller rating, meaning that it will have less ability to return to an upright position after being held over by external forces like wind or waves. That's all.
Hello sir, my name is Jamal Jiva. Loading a ship is a critical operation that profoundly affects its stability. The distribution of weight determines the ship's center of gravity, COG, and metacentric height, GM, which are crucial stability indicators. Improper loading can lead to reduced stability, increasing the risk of capsizing, risk of or trim, compromising safety and efficiency. Increased vulnerability to free surface effects and dynamic instability, structural stress on the hull. Therefore, meticulous planning, accurate calculations, and adherence to regulation are essential to ensure safe and stable ship operation. Modern technology coupled with well-trained personnel plays a crucial role in mitigating the risks associated with loading.
I am Mitchupad Gaborno, and I will be discussing my part in our topic, which is all about conclusion. The impact of loading on your ship's stability is critical and complex issue that demands meticulous attention. It's not merely about the weight of a cargo, but its precise distribution, which directly influences a ship's ability to remain upright and safe. Improper loading practices can lead to a cascade of detrimental effects, including reduced metacentric height, leading to diminished initial stability and increased risk of capsizing, shifts in the center of gravity, causing lift, trim, and decrease righting arm, further compromising stability, increased free surface effect, reducing effective GM and exacerbating instability, particularly in partially filled tanks, decreased dynamic stability in making the ship more vulnerable to capsizing in rough seas.
I'm Midshipman Constantino, and I'll be discussing the recommendation of impact of loading on ship stability. So the recommendation: to effectively mitigate the risk associated with loading on a ship stability, a multifaceted approach is required. This involves meticulous planning and calculation, strict adherence to regulations, comprehensive crew training, clear communication, the utilization of advanced technology, careful ballasting management, and regular inspections. By implementing these recommendations, we can significantly reduce the likelihood of stability-related incidents and ensure a safe maritime operation.
I'm Midshipman Frucilin Janexter. Reference: intact stability, damaged stability, metacentric high and GM, center of gravity, COG, free surface and effect, loading instrument, ship in terms and and less IMO stability codes. By consulting of these resources, you can gain deeper understanding of the complex relationship between the loading and ship stability.